welcome to our flat tour. We have been living in a little place called Quirks village in Ilsan for about a year, fondly referred to by us as the Gaj, and we're just about to move out of it, which is heartbreaking, but it's time to go. But we thought we would do a wee video of our flat just so that we can remember where we lived for a year, and maybe other people are interested to see what it's like as well. Those dogs are very rustly. And there's a car coming!
Good riddance.
Did he go?
Aye.
We didn't get hit by the car, so it's a good day. I'm not going to do the flat tour because I am not funny enough. So I'm going to hand it over to my husband, who has the humour and the good looks to do an amazing flat tour and do this place justice. Let's welcome Peter Wilson to the stage. There he is.
Right.
Oh, he's so happy. He's just going to walk away and I'll follow you. Right.
Right, continue. So we've had our ditch done up. This was just some standing water filled with bugs when we got here, but look, it's got a lovely concrete moats. It's been the talk of the town.
It's nice because they always started digging at like about 6 a.m. in the morning, getting the cranes in and doing all that.
Everybody likes to come and have a wee cigarette and stare at the ditch. So here we go.
It's funny because it's true.
So every time we ordered takeaway, we had to put a little box in the delivery notes saying we're behind the restaurant. So there's the restaurant.
This is the restaurant.
Pishi
and Wagyu.
Yep. See if you can get the superheroes in the window in the way past.
Still here. Still following you.
Yeah.
Still here.
We've no been in.
I know it's terrible. We live right above it. We've never been in. But we have had car park picnics with the owner.
Right there.
Here.
Smashing.
So yeah, this is our little kind of local road. Not exactly a city. That's okay. Welcome.
I don't know why the delivery man can never find it. It's clearly written on in Sharpie right there.
So it is. I've never even seen that.
You don't worry about the code because it's never blocked.
I don't even know what the code is to get into the building.
There we go. Get your flyers for Korean level. Right. Never seen any ever.
When have we ever met neighbours?
Don't know who sits in that. But they need a wee bit of cardboard nappy.
This is us. Oh. I suppose we're moving out, it doesn't matter.
Oh.
Every flat has a keypad instead of keys, so it's all electronic numbers. Welcome to our home. Shoes off in the shoe bit, always.
This always comes to meet you.
Hiya.
Hello. Good. And this is our flat.
Alright, mask off.
Ah.
Don't need to keep it. We got our own little...
Oh,
for God's
that's
sake.
it.
Put our own wee special mask hook. It's a cat. We like cats. Don't we, my darling?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, from every flat tour on YouTube of a Korean place, you need to spend 80% of the time at the shoe cupboards.
I know, explaining.
Even no one cares.
Explaining, will we do 5 minutes? No.
Well, it's a cupboard full of shoes.
There it is.
Most of these shoes aren't ours. Is that right?
No, I threw out everyone
Oh,
else.
right, okay. Christ, we've got a lot of shoes.
Yeah, because Korean flats, so you have like, you come in, you've got a shoe area, you never wear outside shoes, inside, you take your shoes off, and then all the flats have this shoe cupboard by the door, put your shoes in, that's it.
Great.
Easy.
Lovely. So,
You're my lovely cat.
so unlike the flat we stayed in when we first got here for 2 weeks, this one has lots of room. We've got a living room, we've got a spare room, we've got a bedroom. What should we do first?
Living room.
Living room.
Why not, eh?
Come round.
Living area.
Smashing. We've got our cat tree.
We do.
We got the cat fair.
How many times have you sat on it, Coco?
No fucking once.
Hey!
Yeah.
Never. £100 well spent.
Yeah, so sometimes there's like a wee table for the remotes.
Yeah, it's remotes and a coffee table.
This is our couch that we got.
We bought this in the first few weeks. Not speaking a word of Korean, and it was really hard, but we got it.
Yeah, we got it, mate, and it was a pride and joy. And look, someone's nails.
Who did this? Was this you, Peter? No.
No, it's not. So that's that. Lovely little poster thingy. Lovely big windows, lots of light. We've enjoyed that.
Windows
It's
are the
very
best.
airy and nice.
It's so nice.
Big telly that we bought off the last teachers.
Yeah, thanks,
That's
Becca.
cracking. It's good. Jimmy teacher, hello. Jimmy teacher came round with
There was a table and
for
chairs.
us.
It's lovely.
Yep, we're
Great
going to try and move
area.
out before she sees the state of the chairs.
Yeah.
I know.
Few little scratches.
Mm-hmm.
Who did that?
We'll be long gone before they see. Hi, what's that?
Art from Daiso.
Best of gear.
Gorgeous.
This is our air conditioner. Monolith. So when it got to summer, we didn't realise that this wasn't working. So we had about a week at least. maybe
At
2
least,
weeks,
I think 2 weeks.
in insane heat.
48 degrees.
Miserable. Unable to even
No
look at each
aircon,
other.
yeah.
So miserable with the heat.
It's awful.
But we got it fixed, and this blasts the whole flat, so that's quite nice.
Yeah, that's good.
And then we've got our kitchen. And
I mean, it's such a good space, isn't it? It's such a good space.
I've loved this wee kitchen. Kitchen in the first place we landed in was just like this little space with no worktop, which is standard for all the small flats. But this one has been a joy to stand in. Get big windows and get a breeze and some
It's a
light.
nice view as well, isn't it? I can't see it's shining, sorry.
Huh?
But looking out, oh Christ, I can't see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When it sunsets, it looks lovely. You can see the
Yeah.
mountains in the background. Got our wee doodads on the fridge. That's nice.
Fridge full of bits. Recycling down the side, don't look.
I really like my hob.
Sink Dunkin' Donuts, who got donuts? Oh.
I like my hob. It's got a kind of Fallout retro kind of feel to it, which I quite like. It looks like a wee rocket. And then we've got our coffee set up.
Yep.
Some fancy tea that my
Fancy
co-teacher
teas.
bought me for leaving. That was
Thanks,
nice.
Michael.
My motivational photo frames. I remember buying these when I was so depressed at the start of the year.
Look at the
And
bright
it's like,
side.
look at the bright side. It's going to be all right. And it was fine.
Calm and
It was fine.
relax. It worked every morning, didn't it? You were just so calm
Oh,
and happy every morning.
Serene. That's us. Lovely.
It's good. So much
That's all seaweed.
seaweed. We've got 2 more boxes.
Yeah,
So much.
too
Well,
much.
I love this map. I got this in Arkin book. It's just like a really pretty map of the world, but all the countries are in Hangul, and I think it's cool. It's cool. Right, bedroom.
Bedroom. Right. So, separate bedroom. Oh.
Imagine in Korea.
Yeah. So this is nice.
So
this
nice.
was the original couch that we had, and it's really uncomfortable to sit on.
Piece of shit.
Aye.
It's like sitting on a box of springs.
Yeah, yeah. So we put it in here and our clothes sit on it. And little puss flags, nice. So outside the window here, so this looks quite pleasant at the moment with the church, but at
does.
night this giant neon cross lights up and gives everything quite a sordid Blade Runner,
'Cause what
True
colour
Blood
is it?
kind of feel.
What colour is
Bright
it?
red, neon
Bright
red.
red, glowing cross at the
Yeah,
bedroom window.
totally. Just to let you know that God's got his ears on. That's it. And then we've got another big window here, and you can't see because it's really misty today, but that's like a huge mountain up there that lights
Which we
up.
think might be the Ilsan.
Maybe the
Ilsan, the one
Ilsan.
the one
Yeah.
mountain of Ilsan, of its namesake.
Oh,
Oh, here she is. There's a net there, so she can't go through. There's like mosquito net. Yeah,
that's it.
lovely, lovely to have an actual bed in a separate bedroom because that is just unheard of in Koreatown.
Good.
Good.
Lovely. It's a nice flat. And then we've got our spare room. which is sort of a
Our walk-in closet.
walk-in closet. Very cool. With our walk-in clays. And
The broken mounts for our clothes that were broken when we moved in, but
like, there's a good view of the cable tie spaghetti holding that up.
But do you know what? It's held up for the year.
Yep.
And Christ, I'm not buying
Yep.
new ones, so who cares? Welcome to Korea. Inherited that off of someone, a leaving teacher. Very cute.
Mm-hmm.
Storage, guitar.
Yeah, got my guitar off one of the.
Wait, what about the balcony?
Oh,
the balcony.
Aye. See, I'm never out here.
We call it a balcony, but
This is the
this.
maid's room.
It's beautiful. It's not a balcony, but it is. It's like a separate kind of balcony area, but not outside. Lovely view, storage, and this is where you get the washing machine, this top-loading washing machine and the big boiler. So it's an ugly wee bit, but it's nice to have it all tucked away.
John managed to decode what all
I
this.
know. Oh my! So I know what all of this means. I don't. The last teacher said, "Do this one, this one, this one," and that's what I did. I've never done anything else, and it's worked.
Clothes have been clean ever since. Good.
Smells good. Shut that down.
And you want to see the bathroom?
Sure.
Mm-hmm. Where the magic happens.
P.S. Loads of storage. Oh, so good. Where the magic happens. Bathroom. Look, Western style shower. It's not attached to the sink and it's not over the toilet. Again, very uncommon in Korea. Good space.
Yeah.
We have a little shower filter, which is something that you are supposed to get
Yeah.
in Korea because our little shower filter, because the water in Korea makes your hair fall out because it's not very good, so you're supposed to get a shower filter to clean the water. And we bought a shower filter at a cat show. As you do, and the guy was so happy that we bought one off him and he wanted to get a picture of us
For the website.
holding the shower filter, giving a big thumbs up for his website.
Now endorsed
Yay!
by Clueless
these two
Westerners.
guys.
Yeah. So yeah.
It's good. Lovely wee flat. We've got a wee round down here that I was given by our local pub. And I don't know why. Wait, chicken. She gave me Ryan in a pineapple costume.
Yeah.
It's nice.
It's been a lovely place to stay. It's been really comfortable. We were worried when we had the choice of whether to take this flat or the flat in Daewha, the town. We were worried that we were going to be away from shops and restaurants and stuff. But the village has been really fun to look around. There's only really one of everything. But it's been nice to be somewhere. Felt quite like a community, you know. The odd chance we've bumped into someone that we know from the school, or you know, the guy that owns the cafe around the corner. I sometimes see him in the Solantang restaurant, and he nods at me and smiles, which is lovely. We've met one of Jill's students in the street a bunch of times.
Sometimes it's so nice.
Yeah, so it's been really nice, and it feels like a progression to go from here to Seoul.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we've lived here totally rent free, like we don't pay any rent. The school gave us this whole like massive place, which is nice.
I feel like I was going to start slagging the flat like I did in the Busan,
I
but
thought you
now
were
I'm
going
just
to
really
as well.
sentimental.
I know,
It's
you
been
said
such a lovely
nothing but
place to
nice
live.
things.
Yeah, it's been great.
Yeah, I was
Right,
expecting
what's been a pain in the arse about the place? Right, well,
the bathroom door handle falls off every
the
time.
door handle used to clatter off every fucking morning, and it
was the
was
loudest
horrible.
thing.
It sounded like a cowbell. Look at the wallpaper. You get a close up the wallpaper. Look, so every inch of this flat has wallpaper that looks like it's streaked with fat.
It looks
Like
really
it's the bit
stained.
above your nan's chip pan, which is disgusting.
There's wee bits of glitter in it as well if you look at it just right, but yeah, it all looks like it's really stained.
Remnants of parties. There's that. What else is weird? The fucking... Look at this.
The autopsy light.
There's the light switch for that. The autopsy light. I mean, that's... that gives you
You can't
the...
have the big lights on, it just kills your eye.
That's the kind of ambience you want to slice open a cadaver and nothing else. And everyone you see in the flats when you walk through the residential areas, everyone's got their big light on. Maniacs. No way to live. This is the gas pipe that we always leave on and worry about.
Yeah.
Has there been anything strange about the kitchen? The spigot. Fucking
The
leaks
tap
behind the
leaks
fridge.
everywhere.
Yeah, there's that. Oh, there's the big hanging plug here. So we've
You lie in bed
Yeah.
and you look at this.
Yeah, and this is a really
It's really
slidey, trippy rug. So someday this wraps around your bastard neck.
Like
as
Final
you go on.
Destination.
Yeah, that's it. And you know, generally speaking, you can't drink the water. The water will make
No.
the hair fall out your head. Sometimes the air's poison. It's
The air will kill you.
Yeah.
Sometimes you need to check the app
a bit of
to
a
see if the air's going to kill you or not.
yeah. You need to think before you go outside, and then you see it's red, and it's like, oh, right, I'll just not breathe
Shit.
today then. So aye, it's no without its own stresses.
No.
But it's been a lovely place to live. I've enjoyed it.
The walls are made of less than paper, so you can hear everything that the other people are doing. And when they
Oh,
have a
you can
shower, you can't hear your TV because
You can hear the dribbles at the end of his piss.
you
Like, that's the
actually can.
detail. Which means he hears every word I shout
Yeah.
all day
You're
long.
loud.
He knows
You're loud,
what
man.
wines I don't like in my class. He's heard everything.
I hope he's not a parent of the school.
Yeah. Oh, I've got quite the collection of spam.
I think we've eaten most of the spam.
Yeah. This is the cupboard where we had a lot of inherited oils and spam, which are given as gifts a lot here.
We get
So
loads of gifts from the parents, and it's normally oil, spam, and big giant boxes of seaweed.
and if anybody's looking, I do clean the inside these cupboards. There's just stains on here that will make them
They're
laugh.
permanent.
Hey, puss.
Not very much on
Come on. Come on. Come on. Bye. We're going to make another video going around the village,
Of the actual garage.
which should
yeah.
be fun. But no, it's been lovely.
I don't think the shower doesn't stay a consistent temperature. It goes from freezing to boiling, but
Yeah.
you get used to that, don't you? Jump in and out. Other than that, good times,
Good times. Right?
right?
Let's hit the streets.
Okay. Peace. There he goes.
Oh, didn't see you there. We're just heading out to our rooftop for a little drink.
Forgot to add this. Very nice. Lovely views. Big apartments. And no one is ever here. I've never seen anyone else up here. So we bring her friends here sometimes. Hello! What a lovely spot.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Sunset. Ilsan. Handsome man.